Hello, today I will show you how to make a Victorian puzzle purse. First, you need to prepare a square piece of paper. Here is the one with my own design. You can also just draw your own design or just download my template from my shop if you like it. To make it easier for you to follow, I have also prepared this folding guide. First, you will need to take each edges and fold it to 1/3. And before doing this, you can use a ruler to measure it. That's what I did. But my template has the folding guide already, so I don't need to do that this time. Now we just done all the creases, and here we come to the most difficult part. We will need to pinch the 4 corners. You might feel a bit unnatural and forcing, but that's the way it is. And you pinch the 4 corner and then just force it to the center and force it. Force and force, it may fail, but you will make it. Just force it to the center. Yes, and then we make it now. Done! Yeah! Here I try to tuck the paper a little bit more to make the imagery appear more coherent, but you don't have to do that usually. Then we just tuck the 4 corners on the left side clockwise. Done! About the contents of this Victorian puzzle purse, I try to make a Chinese version of it. This is a well-known love mythology about a mortal cowboy and a slave chain with a girl fell in love, but has to be separated by the gods to the opposite sides of the Milky Way. Their separation felt so sad, and it touches the birds. So on the 7th day of the lunar 7th month, the birds will form the bridge to just unite them once a year. And if you like this template, you can also download it from my shop. Then you can print it out with your home printer. To facilitate your home printer, you print out in A format, but make sure after printing to trim up the white edges. Then you can start to fold.